The Borderlands project will really explore the intersection of cultures and landscapes and ways of being, and how those issues historically even impact identity today in the American Southwest. We're looking at landscapes and ecosystems. We're looking at politics and government. We're looking about labor, both agricultural labor and other labor in the area. We're looking at religion and spirituality, and the project will lead to site visits at projects that represent all of these different aspects of American history and American life, and through the lens of, again, this intersection of cultures and ethnicities and religions and ways of being. It's the home to several different indigenous homelands, as well as hunting grounds and wintering grounds for several other tribal communities, including the Ute, the Dene, the Paiute, the Hickory Apache, and others. It also sits at the northern edge of the Spanish frontier when Spain occupied much of the southwestern United States, became Mexico in 1821 after Mexico claimed its independence, and then in 1848 after the Mexican-American War, the area then became the United States.